Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa. Hope you guys are all having a great day and enjoying the spring. So today I'm going to do just a little haul video with you guys and show you some of the clothes I got recently. So I know I said this in my previous video, but I'm a recent college graduate and I'm currently paying student loans. So I don't have much money to spend on other things besides rent, utilities, more rent, more utilities, insurance. Being an adult is fun. It is a lot of fun, actually. I was recently at Walmart when I went on a ski trip. We had to just pick up some snacks and stuff. And I saw the cutest floral jeggings. And I was like, no, this is like Walmart, but these are $5 on clearance. Like, don't really care. I need them. Which then led me to the rest of the clothing section. And lo and behold, $100-something later, I am now the proud owner of half of the Time and True collection at Walmart. Seriously though guys, this is super cute. Honestly, so affordable. So cute for spring. So many of the pieces are super appropriate for work, which is what I'm always looking for. Yeah, I did get a few that probably are better off for hang out with friends on the weekend. I'm so excited to share this stuff with you guys. It's kind of just all laid out on the couch next to me. So I'll just kind of pick up things one by one. And I've tried it all on already, so I can tell you like first fit, how it was and everything. And honestly, maybe I'll do a try on video if you guys are interested in that, but here we go. So the first thing I got was this striped top. It has a little bit of a V-neck, not too much. I actually did wear this to work earlier this week and I really liked it. It was super cute, super light. As you can probably see from the light behind it, it's very see-through. So just make sure you wear like an undershirt with it, or cami, or even another shirt. They also had, I think, white and navy and black with white stripes. I don't quite remember. There are a bunch of other colors though. The next couple things I'll show you guys is just like a bunch of t-shirts. So I bought in store just like the plain white t-shirt, which I mean is just, as you see, a plain white V-neck shirt. This was $3.88 and they had so many colors. Like, you can't go wrong with 4 short sleeve shirts. I got one in white, again a little see-through, and then I actually got this red color, which I thought was super cute. What I really love about this red color is it can be worn with blue jeans, it could be worn with white jeans, it could be worn with black jeans. You can wear it with a bunch of different pants combinations. Where I live, in the winter too, I could still wear this, like just layer with a cardigan and even like an infinity scarf. Like I do that a lot with my t-shirts for work. So then the other 2 shirts I got were just another white one, literally the same as the other white one, but I also just got a plain black one. The next thing I got was actually not from the Time and True collection. It was actually from Faded Glory. And it's a little hard to see the whole thing on the camera. They lean back like this. So it's a long sleeve, like purple, you see the purple dress, and it actually goes pretty far down. It actually went to right above my knees. So this is super appropriate and comfortable for work. I highly suggest it. In the back, it has this really cute like hole. So I tried this on with like my favorite tan bra, and like you can't see the back of the bra at all, like in this hole, so don't worry. And it's honestly like my hair covers most of it, so like for work I really wouldn't worry about it. Oh, also super soft and comfortable, like so soft. So the next thing I got, I've never owned a romper. I've always wanted one but could never find one that I really liked. So this one's also from Walmart. It's from the Thyme and Honey collection, and it's so cute because it's thyme like the spice, T-H-Y-M-E. I think it's really cute. So this is just a floral romper. It has like an elastic waistband, and then obviously like the shorts, and it actually has, you can see, it has like a sheer, not sheer, but a layer underneath to kind of protect yourself so you're not showing. And then it has this really cute ruffle on the top. There's actually 2 layers of ruffles, and there's an elastic at the top, as you can see. So this actually is advertised as an on and off the shoulder romper, and it actually works really well both on and off your shoulders. So I tried this on and it looks really cute on. The elastic isn't obnoxious or anything, but then you just pull the sleeves down, and it actually stayed up really well. Like, I was pleasantly surprised. I believe they had this in pink flower as well. Seriously though, this was actually really, really cute, and I know you can kind of see through it when I hold it up to the light, but when I actually wore it, I really couldn't see through it too much. It is a little see-through at the top, but actually that's what I love about the ruffles, is the ruffles kind of cover everything. But I definitely recommend like wearing a tan or nude bra with this, and then if you do want a bralette, like, you'll definitely see the color, and honestly that could just be like really cute, like pop of color. So the next item I got is also part of the new Time and True collection, and it's another off the shoulder. I've never really owned anything off the shoulder, and now I have like a million things, and the next piece I'm going to show you is also off the shoulder. So apparently I guess that's my new obsession. But anyway, off the shoulder top, as you can see, it's like totally see-through lace. I mean, it's like open, and it has a little button on the back, so the back, like, to make it easier to put on. And then obviously shoulder, there's this really cute like ruffle at the bottom. I honestly love this. Like, I saw it and I didn't even bother trying it on, I just bought it. What I love about it is the lace detail here. It's so subtle but so cute, and the ruffle too just kind of adds a lot. This definitely, I tried on with my tan bra when I got home, and you can't, like, you really can't see through it. So as long as you wear a tan or neutral color bra, you'll totally be fine. Lo and behold is this off the shoulder tassel top. Look at these tassels. Look at how cute they are. I'm telling you right now, this is totally see-through. You're gonna want to pair this with a cami if you're trying to wear it to work. The only thing I'll say about this shirt that I wasn't expecting is it's actually kind of long. Like, I don't know if you can tell here, but it actually goes like a couple inches past my waist when I wear it. So like, if you're wearing shorts, you like, it will cover the shorts. So just keep that in mind when you're wearing this with long pants. I mean, I think that's cute, but just keep that in mind. So the final two things I have to show you are pants and, or sorry, three things, clothing things. Those are the jeggings I got. I got these on clearance for $5. Walmart also, Faded Glory. They're like this really cute floral print, you know, jeggings. They're super, super comfortable, super stretchy, but they still make your butt look really good. And they fit true to size. I mean, just buy them. Like, they're $5. You can't go wrong with another cute addition to your closet. The other pants I got from the Time and True collection were these white pants. These are not jeggings. These are, I think, like chino pants, and they go like, they're like capri length. So I really like these actually. I've never owned white pants. They're super comfortable. I did think they were a bit tighter than I was expecting in the waist, but nothing that like makes it not able to wear it. Like I said, I'm normally size 8, and I got these in a size 8, and honestly, like, they fit fine. They're just a little tighter than I'd like up top. And finally, I actually just wore these to work yesterday. These are the Time and True jeggings, and I just got them in black because I only own one pair of black jeans and I'm not the biggest fan of them, and I was like, all right, maybe I'd like jeggings. These were so comfortable, and you know, they have like the little pocket detail on the back. The pockets on the back you can actually like put stuff in, like I put my phone in, it fit. The pockets on the front are sewn shut, they're not real. But these are just like skinny jeggings, and they're super comfortable. My favorite thing about these is they're actually a little bit high-waisted, not like a complete high waist. And I really like that, like for work, just because when I'm sitting at my desk, it doesn't like hit like right below my belly button. It's like a little higher. I think they're really comfortable. All right, so a couple more things I want to show you guys, which is shoes. I get really nervous buying shoes online because I'm normally size 8, but then like sometimes I'm a size 9, and sometimes I need an 8.5, and like it just makes it kind of hard. Walmart actually made it really easy to return the shoes. And by the way, this video is like not sponsored at all. I just really like this clothing line. It was really, really easy to actually make a return. So I got these gold ballet flats in the Time and True collection. I don't know if you could see. They're pretty shiny. They had these in a couple colors. So I ordered them in a size 9, and like I literally put my feet in them and took a step, and like the shoe just completely like flopped off. Like it was way too big. So I went to the store and I tried on the 8s and the 8.5, and the 8s just felt like a little too tight on my toes. So I got an 8.5, so I had a little more wiggle room. And they're really, really comfortable. And they go with, once again, so many things. And then finally, I got some sandals. Okay, they're falling apart because I guess the elastic doesn't want to work. But I actually got the same pair of sandals. I got the white ones, you can see. So they have this really, really cute crisscross pattern here. And then like they have straps for your ankle. So there's an ankle strap here and there's one that kind of crosses over. These actually fit my feet perfectly in a size 9. Like they go a little, almost to the end, like they go kind of like right here where the seam starts. And they're super, super comfortable. And these are them in brown, same thing, size 9. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul, and I hope you go out and buy some of these. I highly recommend all of them. I am honestly such a cheap person, like especially when it comes to clothes, because I have such a hard time spending a lot of money unless it's like for a big event or I get something on clearance that's normally a lot more expensive. That's always where I go. You can always find me in the clearance section of stores, honestly. But this Time and True collection from Walmart is super, super cute and fits so many different body types, so many different styles. They have so many options. Great for spring and summer. And once again, best of all, it's cheap. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like this video and let me know down in the comments. And if you haven't already and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to see. Well, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.